Good morning, children. Today we are going to do textbook activity in lesson number 13, Working Hard. Before doing the textbook activity, just we recall all the things and different types of occupations what we have learned earlier. Open page number 74. Page number 74. Lesson number 13, Working Hard. See here down. Let's get started. Who helps you and your family to do the above mentioned course at home every day? See here, who will help you? See, teacher will help you in the school. And the milkman will bring milk to your house in the morning. And here the domestic helper. She will help your mother and your family in cleaning the vessels and keeping the house clean. And next, the washerman. The washerman washes your clothes and iron your clothes. You can call him as washerman or dhobi. So now, who are they that will help you in your house? So in school, teacher will help you. And domestic helper. So domestic helper, she will help you in your house. The teacher will help you in the school and the domestic helper will help you in the house, and the washerman or dhobi also will help you to do the work in your house. Is it clear, children? Now see the next page. Page number 75. See here, occupations. Why do we need an occupation? To buy things we need to live comfortably. To live comfortably. Whatever the needs we want, we can buy those needs and things and live comfortable life. So, what are the different types of occupations? Milkman, domestic help, washerman, newspaper vendor, policeman, firefighter, doctor, nurse, chef, cobbler, tailor, carpenter, mason, plumber, electrician, farmer and architect. So these are the different types of occupations. These people, all these people, they will do their they do their work to earn money and live a comfortable life. Is it clear, children? See here. Any regular work done to earn money is called an occupation or a job. No work is big or small. We should respect all kinds of occupations. Is it clear, children? See, the policeman. What the policeman will do? He catches the thieves. He catches the thieves. And firefighter. What the firefighter will do? He puts out the fire through fire engine. And then doctor. The doctor looks after the patients. And the nurse will take care of the patients by doing first aid. Turn the page. See here study the images and choose the correct answer from the help box and fill in the blanks. See here they have given the names of the work the people do. So here we have to see the pictures and write the names. See here, a dash cooks food in a restaurant. Who will cook food in restaurant? Chef. Come on, write in the dash. C-H-E-F, chef. And the next one, a dash mends our shoes. Who mends our shoes? If you want to repair your shoes, you'll go to a cobbler. So, C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Write cobbler in the dash. Next, a dash stitches clothes. If you want to stitch a new dress, where you'll go? You'll go to a tailor. So, write in the dash. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. And here, a dash makes furniture. Who makes furniture? A carpenter. A carpenter makes furniture in our house. So, write C-R-P-E-N-T-E-R-S, carpenters or carpenter makes furniture. Is it clear, children? And the next one. A dash lays bricks to build houses. Who will build house for you? Mason. So Mason, mason builds houses with the help of bricks and cement. And the next one. A dash fits and repairs taps and water pipes. Who will fix and repairs taps and water pipes? A plumber. If there is any repair in the tap in your house, your mother will make a call to the plumber to come and repair the tap. So write in the dash. Plumber. Plumber. And the next one. See here. Dash and dash fits and repairs switches and other electrical things. Who will fits and repairs electrical things? An electrician. 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 An electrician fits and repairs switches and other electrical things. And the next picture. A dash grows crops in the fields. Who will grow crops in the fields? Farmer. 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 A farmer grows crops in the fields. Next, see the last one. And dash designs the plan of buildings. Who will give designs or plan for a building? An architect. 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 An architect designs the plan of buildings. Is it clear, children? So these are the different occupations the different people do to earn money and live a comfortable life. Now see the next page. Page number 77. See, here are some people who help us fill in the blanks using the help box to know what they are called. Here they have given some words. Now see the first one. A dash paints the walls of houses, schools and other buildings. Who will do paintings? A painter. 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 A painter paints the walls of houses, schools and other buildings. See the second one. A dash washes and irons our clothes. Who will wash and iron our clothes? A washerman. So write in the dash. WASHER. Washer. MAN. Man. A washerman washes and irons our clothes. And see the last one. A dash makes different types of clay pots that we use in the kitchen garden. So who will make? A potter. See, write in the dash. POTTER. Potter. A potter makes different types of clay pots that we use in the kitchen and the garden. Is it clear, children? Now turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 78. Here are some fill in the blanks. See here. What are those? See the first one. Any regular work done to earn money is called an dash. Is called an occupation. Write in the dash. OCCUPATION. Occupation. Any regular work done to earn money is called an occupation. Now see the second one. Our parents work to dash money, to earn money, to get money. So EARN, earn money. And see the third one. A person who grows crops in fields is called a farmer. 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 Write in the dash farmer. See the next one. Fourth one. When we need to get new clothes stitched, we go to a tailor. To whom you will go? To a tailor. 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 And see the last one. A dash puts out fire. Who will put out the fire? A firefighter. FIRE. Fire. FIGHTER. Fighter. A firefighter puts out the fire when there is any fire accident. Is it clear, children? Now see the next third one. Match the people to the things they use to do their work. Here they have given the instruments. You have to see and write the numbers in the boxes. See here, the first one. See here. What is this? Who will use this instrument? A carpenter. See, where is carpenter? 4. So write in the box 4 number. A carpenter makes furniture for us. Is it clear, children? And here, the next one. Here, bucket and mop is there. Who will use this bucket and mop? Domestic help. Domestic helper, they will use this bucket and mop to clean our house. So, domestic help is 5. So, write 5 number in the box. And the next one, see here, stethoscope. Who will use this stethoscope? A doctor. A doctor uses the stethoscope to see the heartbeat. So the doctor number is 1. So write 1 number in the box. And here the next one. See, this is water pump. So the water is coming from the pipe. Who will use this one? A firefighter. A firefighter will use this one to put out the fire. So firefighter is second one. So put 2 number in the box. And the last one is sewing machine. Who will use this machine? A tailor. The tailor uses this sewing machine to stitches the clothes. Tailor is third one. So write 3 number in the box. So with this, we have completed the textbook activity in lesson number 13. After doing the textbook activity, read the textbook, learn the hard words and question and answers perfectly. Thank you.